Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel RE World. Today I'm going to tell you a very useful function in Microsoft Excel, that is SUMIF. So as we learned in the beginning videos that how we can do the sum. For example, I put it here 2, 2, 3, 4 and simply we put sum and select the range and it gives us the sum of these values. But sometimes we have some different scenarios. Let me add here some text. Take it apple and copy it. Okay, so these are the items. So let me add the title here, fruit quantity, fruit and the total quantity, right? Okay, now I'll tell you that how you can get the sum of the apple only, sum of the bananas only. Okay, so we don't need to note apple twice here, and let remove it. So sum is very useful if you are making some kind of analysis where you need the sum of some kind of product from a range. You see, I just added a few values, an example 12. It could be 12,000 even. So whether 12,000 or even 100,000, it doesn't matter. Apple will do it quickly for you. Is equal to sum, right? After that, we are going to add a condition, SUMIF. So once you add SUMIF, immediately it shows you some help below the cell where you are adding this formula. So first of all, Excel is asking what is the range? What is the range we need to sum? So this is the range, or I can say this is the range. Okay. Now what is the criteria? This is the criteria. From this called range, find apple, right? Now it is saying in here sum range, from where I have to sum. So I have to sum from this range, right? And enter. You see apple 120, 23, 354, 23, and if you see here this part of the workbook where sum for it shows us the sum shortcuts, a quick analysis, it's showing 520. So 520s are the apples here. Okay, let's do it again in order to have the more understanding. Is equal to sum if bracket start. So immediately one will start the bracket, it will start giving us the help. First thing, range. So now let's do it this way. Now I'll select the whole column rather than selecting the range only. So I'll tell you later that what is the difference that I'm selecting the whole. But you have to make sure if you have different tables and if you have different same kind of products below rows as well, but you don't want to get the results from there, then better to select the range only. Then the criteria. What is the criteria? This is the criteria, D4. What is the range? This column B is the range, and enter. Okay, see, when we have the added the formula here, if I will drag it down, let me give you an example. My formula starting from A3 to B12, right? So when I'm going to make it like this, and I will make it like this, so you see it just you know, when we drag and drop the formula to the next cells, it range automatically adjusts. So here what we need to do, we just need to click here, okay, and we need to click F4. Okay, F4, click here from your keyboard, click somewhere between the range and click F4. So you will add an additional $sign with your cell reference. Now your cell are freezed. Okay, but you will not freeze D3 because when you will drag it down, You want same range but not the same reference number. You need my range from where I'm counting or I'm calculating that value, that will remain same, but my reference, my criteria which I am going to search, for sure that will be changed. When I was adding the formula here, I was searching for the apple. When I'm adding the formula here, now I'm searching for bananas, but my range is the same. So in order to freeze your cell value, you need to add additional dollar signs. You can add these dollar signs manually, as well as you can add this with a shortcut. You just need to click and press F4. If you mistakenly clicked it twice, you can see it will change. Okay, it will change. So in order to have freeze, you need to get this F4 and dollar signs with the both, with the column name and with the row number. So now if I'll drag and drop it till here, it will not change, right? So in order to have, see, I will see what was the total here, the total, what is the total, with the sum of the total product here, that is 2892, right? And what is here is equal to sum, this range 2892. So this was the SUMIF function, where you can take the sum of one product from a range of products and the range of quantities. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to like the video, give your feedback in comment section and share with your friends.